Hello everyone, welcome to MindChamp videos. Today we will make a Pong game in Scratch. In this game, you will have to stop a certain object from hitting the bottom of the screen. So first, let's pick the object that is going to be bouncing around in the game. Choose any object you want. Here I am choosing a beach ball. Now let's choose a background. Here I will choose the stars as my background. In the next step, we will make the object bounce at the paddle. Let's go to the control category and drag out a if block. Drag touching paddle and put it inside the if block. And pick the turn block and make it 180 degree. From the motion category, we will choose move 10 step, and by clicking on that, the object will move. Now, we will drag a forever loop from control category and put the move loop inside that. Also, to add some randomness, use pick random, and instead of having the ball turned 180 degree every time, we could make it turn in between 170 to 190 degree as well. Now we have to make it bounce all over the screen. For that, choose point in direction and set the point as 45. So the ball will bounce at 45 degree angle. We will see it is bouncing around everywhere. Now, to add multiple level to the game, let's add score. Add new variable and name it as score. Every time the player hits the ball, let's change the score by 1. Now we need to move the paddle left and right. For that, choose set X in a certain point that can make the paddle move from right to left. Now choose mouse X and drag it to set X block and put it inside a forever loop. In the next step, we will see if the ball hits the bottom of the screen, what will happen. Use line from the sprite library. Let's make the game like if the ball ever touches this line, then the game ends. So you can play your game now. And yes, this is how you make a Pong game. Hope you like this video. Happy learning!